In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix access denied errors on ChatGPT. If you've ever tried accessing ChatGPT only to be met with an access denied message, don't worry, you're not alone, and this guide is here to help resolve that issue in just 5 minutes. Let's walk through each step carefully to ensure you're back on track in no time. First up, open ChatGPT in your preferred browser. It sounds simple, but starting fresh can sometimes sidestep lingering technical glitches. Once you've opened the site, the next step is to make sure you're logged into the correct account. Misguided logins can often block your access unintentionally. Double-check your credentials to ensure there's no mix-up. Now, let's move on to the network settings. If you're using a VPN or have a proxy enabled, try disabling these. Although they provide privacy and security, they can interfere with certain site permissions, causing access issues. Turning them off can immediately resolve some access denied errors. After handling the network settings, take a closer look at your browser. Head to the top right corner where you'll find the 3 dots and click on them. This brings up a menu with several options. What you want to do here is select Delete Browsing Data. It's a crucial step as accumulated data over time can disrupt website functionality. Afterward, focus on clearing your browser cache and cookies. Doing so is like giving your browser a refreshing start by removing all saved data from websites you've visited. This step can significantly improve website interactions and resolve access issues by removing outdated or corrupted data. Next, check for any browser extensions you might have, especially ad blockers. While these are fantastic for minimizing unwanted ads, they can interfere with website scripts, like the ones ChatGPT uses. Temporarily disabling them can help determine if they're the root cause of your access problems. Finally, if none of the above steps solve the access issue, logging out of your account and logging back in can be a helpful reset. This ensures that your session starts anew without any of the previous errors lingering. And there you have it. Following these steps systematically can save you time and frustration when trying to access ChatGPT. Remember, technology isn't perfect, but understanding these troubleshooting steps empowers you to tackle similar issues in the future confidently. If you're still having trouble, it might be helpful to contact ChatGPT's support team for more detailed assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.